afternoon guys. I have a package from Sis Mildred from Baguio City guys. And I won last Mildred grand live streaming. I won t-shirt. So let's open the box now. Yan. Let's see what inside. Actually, na-open ko na to siya, guys. Ayan. Let's see what's inside. Okay. Oh. Meron siyang guys. First, meron siyang lengua de gato. Ayan. And then, meron siyang peanut. Ayan siya, guys. And second, meron siyang tart. And of course, the favorite ng bayan, yema. Ayan, guys. Diba, no? Thank you so much to guys, to Yummy. Thank you so much, Yummy. Talks, thank you so much, Talk. And of course, to Sis Mildred, thank you so much. Then, we will open the other, guys. Peanut brittle. Ayan. Ito yung peanut brittle. Yan. Wallet. Sabi nila guys, pag meron daw wallet, kailangan daw, sabi nila, pag nagbibigay daw ng wallet, nilalagyan daw nila ng pera. So, tignan natin guys kung meron siyang pera guys sa loob. From Baguio City guys, Yummy, thank you so much, Yummy. Oh, walang piso. But it's okay guys. And meron tayong strawberry peanut brittle guys. Oh, wow no, galing no. Ayan oh. Ang gulo ng bangs ko. And towel guys from Yummy. Thank you so much, Yummy. From Baguio, Team Baguio siya guys. And of course, yung yung napanalunan kong t-shirt, tinanggalan ko na siya ng plastic. And I won a t-shirt guys from the roulette guys, from Sis Mildred of course. And ito siya, tinanggalan ko na siya ng plastic. Ayan. Ayan siya guys. Oh, diba yung ganda no? Oh, I love the color. And Mildred gave me this guys, this from Miyaki Sensei. Ayan, ayan siya guys. Ang size niya is M. And then ito, to? M din siya. Size M. Size M. Ayan. And meron tayong this is from Canada. Canada pa to galing guys. Ayan. Bigay ni Sis Mildred. Bango. Fresh na fresh. Ayan. And then, of course, we have strawberry. Uy. Asan yung isa? Ay. Meron pa akong isa, yung rep magnet, guys. Nilagay ko na siya sa rep. O, diba, excited lang ang lola nyo. Meron akong sa, meron pa akong isang, rep magnet. Ando na siya sa rep. Dinikit ko na siya, guys. Kasi binuksan ko na to siya kanina. Yung yung package. Tinanggalan ko na siya ng plastic. Ayan. Lalagay ko siya dito. Thank you, Sis Yummy. Salamat, guys. Alam nyo ba, guys, talaga, nakakataba ng puso yung kaibigan mo ba na nakaalala sa'yo, bibigyan ka ng Imagine nyo yan, guys, from Mildred, of course, Talks and Yummy. Thank you so much. So, ito siya guys, muntik na siyang muntik na siyang madurog. Perfect siya sa coffee. Oh my God. Natutuwa yung slicer. Ito, meron to siyang tape. Ito sa gilid. Both side meron siyang tape guys. Mahal siguro to. Ito meron pa siyang tape. Tikman din natin. Sarap. Sarap. Madi lang siya ma-open. Sarap. Nakaka-touch talaga guys. Nakakataba ng balon-balunan. Yung kaibigan mo ba na nag-effort na bigyan ka. Thank you so much guys. Sarap ng peanut brittle. Meron siyang tape kanina. Ito. Tinanggal ko na yung tape. Dami. Ito yung pagkain. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Smell Bread. Yan guys. Ano ba? Yung nakakatuwa. Nakakatuwa na happy ka kasi nag-effort talaga sila guys. Salamat. Yummy, salamat Yummy Talks. Si Smell Bread, thank you so much. Meron bang yema na walang hindi siya matamis? Lasang pine tree. Sarap, promise. Thank you so much, Smell Bread. Natikman ko na to kanina. Yan. Yun lang guys. Ay, yung t-shirt pala. Sukat natin. Size M siya guys. Size M. Shoutout sa aking hikaw. Diba? Ganda no? Diyan lang yan. Yan. Ito yung cute. Gusto ko din. Si Black. Ayan. Ayan siya guys. Oh. Fit na fit siya sa akin. Thank you so much, Smell Bread. Ayan. Thank you so much. Dami kong food. Natutuwa yung aking mga junanak nito. Tignan nyo naman. Dami kong food. Mag-share ako sa kabila. Thank you so much, Smell Bread. God bless you more, guys. Yummy Talks and Mildred. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.